Clever the cat.
Oh, stop being a douchebag. Douchebag. No, that one's not gonna move. Over there. Go. Ouch.
Stop trying to touch it. Clever's so smart, he can find that meat that you threw over there.
I don't think so.
Because he's Clever the cat.
We should just go buy cat food.
No, fuck that. You should just not feed them. Oh, Hip Hop's gotta go get that food. Bam Bam.
No.
It's Bam Bam.
No. Oh, he keeps going in a
He
little
got it.
circle.
The little Hip Hop got it.
That one got stuck on his nose. Need some water? Oh, it's stuck in the bottom.
He's so clever. He's so clever. He's a cat. First person view.
Look at his ear. It's all messed up.
No, he made it that way because he's clever.
Look at the paw. Oh my god, it's like all... It's so sad.
He's doing that on purpose. He likes holding stuff. He's clearly not in pain. He's totally fine.
He has little baby teeth still.
Clever?
The cat. Should I go get more?
No. Here, transition.